Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I hope things get better. On today's episode of Sandy-MMVKBKWU Presents, I'm bringing the Ulta Haul. That's right, we're doing Ulta Haul. I've already taken everything out of the boxes so I can show you what I did, or what I bought, and what damage I made. So let's get started. So they had a sale on Veterans Day, so everything was free shipping no matter the cost. So if you spent $5, it was free shipping. If you spent $20, it was free shipping. If you spent $200, it was free shipping. The thing that I like to do with Ulta is they have those coupons for $3.50 off your order of $15 or more. So I split my order in 3 parts, and it was all free shipping, and everything was on sale or clearanced out. So let's get started. I'm gonna go through these fairly quickly just so I don't take too much of your time, because I know your time is valuable. So the first item I picked up was a Morphe 35V Stunning Vibes palette. Now, I need a palette like you need a hole in my head. I know, I get it, but it was only $15. So it was, these palettes normally are $25, and at Morphe you only get the 10% off if you use the code. But at Ulta it was $15, and we had a $3.50 coupon. So I was able to use my coupon on this palette. So this palette cost me, it smells like some kind of glue. Reminds me of a glue from my childhood. So this palette ended up costing me $11.50, and it was free shipping, and that's why I got it. So that's one palette. I think the other palette that they had for $15 was the 35H. I think it was a hot something. I have the 35H. That's why I didn't get that one. So I got this one. I don't have this one yet, and $11.50 for a palette with free shipping. I was like, yes. And I used my Ebates, the Rakuten. I used that and got 4% cash back. So they came out to be like $10 and like 80 cents or something with the cash back. So that was one order. The next order was if you spent over $17, you can use the coupon, of course. It was $3.50 coupon, but you also received those little purse sets that we get. I got that. So I bought this Essence Ulta Beauty Girls United palette, and this palette is pretty. It comes with a small little mirror, and then that palette's nice, but you see the glitter got all over the place in there. And I think you could take out the eyeshadows. So if you really want to depot this, it's very easy. It's got the little slots to depot it. It's a cute palette. I may or may not keep this palette. I might give this away for a stocking stuffer, or maybe a Christmas giveaway stocking stuffer. Not sure yet. Haven't planned it out yet, but I'm just throwing it out there. And then that was $12, and then I bought 2 eyeliners, which I always use black eyeliners, so it's not like I wasted my money on these. So these were $9 a piece. Not $9. No, strike that. These are $4.50 a piece. They were $9 together. So I got the classic, and I have the micro felt tip liners. So this was $21, and then with the $3.50 coupon, it came out to be like 18 something. So then I got this complimentary. I'm not gonna say free. This was complimentary with the purchase, because I had to pay for something to get this, right? They're not just gonna sell me this. So this is a pretty bag. You get 2 options. You get the classic, and I think a bold, and I think the bold is a gold one. So this is the bag. It's nice and big. You know, it's a nice size. So you get that. And then you get all the goodies inside. So it comes with, this is the Fall GWP 2019. What does GWP mean? Something easy. This is fall. Go with, no. I'm trying to think of what it could stand for. But anyways, that's not important. So we get a set of makeup. I don't know. had a brain fart. Oh my god. Makeup remover facial towelette. I was staring like into the universe, like I have nothing to do. Then I also got the Bold Ambition mascara. What color is this in? Black. Jet black. So we got that. We got 2 brushes. We got the eyeshadow brush, and we also got the cheek brush. Oh, it's nice synthetic brush. It's soft. Why not keep this either? And then a little eyeshadow brush. This is kind of a dense brush. It feels kind of hard. It's not puffy or anything. So this is good to put like a shimmer on. So we have that. Then it came with a lipstick and the color in Mischievous. I don't know if you can see that color real good, but Mischievous is the color, in case you're in the store and want to look to see what color that is. We also got a Jelly Gloss lip gel. It doesn't say the color, but that's what that looks like. Then we also have a tinted eye primer and a hydrating face primer. So you got those 2 things. I think I have some more of these that I'm putting in giveaways, because I've gotten a couple of these bags in the past. So that was another order. So again, free shipping. I used my coupon, and so that was a little cheaper. Instead of just getting the $3.50 off of 1 order, I got them off 3 orders. And that's that one. And then the last one, I goofed. I thought, okay, I'll explain. I don't know, what's this? Never mind. Never mind. Sorry. Lost it again. Okay, so these items, these sweet and shimmers, these are 5 for $5. So if you get 5 of these, they're $1 a piece. If you get them separately, they're $3 a piece. So I picked some stuff up for upcoming giveaways. I shouldn't say for my 2000 giveaway. It's for upcoming giveaways. So I got this. I got this cute little what is it called? Mirror. Compact mirror. Wow, Sam. I guess it's late and I'm getting tired. So you got a cute little compact that is going in future giveaways. And they're also made great stocking stuffers. So if you know anybody you're picking up stocking stuffers for, you're making like little Christmas bags, or something cute just to give away to a coworker, a friend, maybe the mail person or bus driver, whatever have you, post office worker. These are great to throw in bags. This is also the 3 sets of nail files were $1. And then I picked up 2 of these small palettes for future giveaways. I think I have another set of these that I'm giving away in my 2000 subscriber giveaway, but these will also be going in future giveaways. These were also $1 a piece, so that was $5. And then I picked up this Essence Shine Wet Look Gloss. Should have bought a couple of these. These were actually $1.50. They were half price. I got this because I missed the Shane Glosson lip gloss my daughter wanted, so I got her this. I'm sending that to her. And then the last thing I got was this Physicians Formula Butter Collection, Casey Holmes collaboration. And one day I'm gonna have a collaboration of something. It's gonna say something collaboration with Sandy-MMVKBKWU, or even Lady Reaper, because that's my Twitter name. And so it comes with a perfume, it comes with a lip cream, and then it comes with eyeshadows, your bronzer, your blush, and your highlighter. So I thought it's like all in one. So even if I don't keep it, I give it away, or I give it for a gift to someone, this has everything that's pretty much that somebody would need. And these are very nice colors. These are great fall colors. I like this green one, I'll be honest. I wanted to swatch it, but like I said, if I give it away to somebody for Christmas, I don't want my finger marks in there. And this was only $10. So I only paid a little over $16 for that 3rd order. So one order was 12 bucks, one was 18, and one was about 16. So that's everything that I got. Let me know in the comment section, what did you think of these items? Did you pick up any of these items when they had them on sale? Like, and I also used the Rakuten Ebates app, so I got 4% cash back on each one of these orders, and I already seen my money sitting in there, so I know I got it. And that's it. And if you know, if you don't like anything else, you can just take it back, get your money back, or get store credit or whatever you want. And that's about it. Like I said, I bought a lot of the stuff for future giveaways because I want to give back to you guys, because without you, I would not be here. Well, maybe I would be, but I'd be lonely. So I want to thank you all for being here today. Thank you for, you know, watching me show you my little... So I want to thank you all for being here. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, and let me know in the comment section down below if there's something you're looking forward to, something that you want for Christmas maybe. What do you think of my little haul? Did you like everything that I got? Do you have any of the stuff that I bought? Did you go out and buy the stuff as well? Like I said, great stocking stuffers for teachers, or for whoever. Just send something in the mail to someone, say, here, thinking about you. But that's it. So thank you all for being here. I am truly, truly grateful. Hasta Laterz.